Here's the hard truth. Game mechanics won't make your product successful. The most successful and engaging digital products of our time aren't cluttered up with leaderboards and badges. Instead, they deliver an experience that meets a real need and gets better over time as you get deeper into the product. If you want to build lasting engagement, don't start with game mechanics. Instead, build a compelling customer experience that gets better the more you use it.
It's so important to really focus on the habit loop, right? How well is somebody doing? Do they understand what to do? Do they love what they're doing? And then the progression system is so critical, and it's something that game thinking actually brings straight to their clients.
To start using game thinking on your project, grab a seat in our Product Breakthrough Bootcamp. Go to gamethinking.io/bootcamp and sign up now.
I hope to see you there.